In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Samsung phone as computer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Samsung phone you have, you will be able to connect it to a monitor and use it like a computer. So if you are used to the usual desktop format where you have all of your applications on your desktop, you have a taskbar, you have options at the bottom left or the center of the screen, you will be able to configure your Samsung device to use it in desktop mode. This method will be done with a cable. Keep in mind that you can do this wirelessly, but I'm going to suggest doing it with a cable instead because I believe it will apply for most people. So for this method, you will need a USB to HDMI cable. The port on most modern Samsung devices will be USB-C. So you plug the USB-C end into the Samsung device and then the HDMI end into your monitor, usually at the back. So you will need a monitor to use it like this as a computer. You can also purchase one of these hubs that give you various different ports. And as you can see, one of the ports is HDMI. If you choose to use a hub, you will need an HDMI cable, so the standard HDMI to HDMI. Then you plug one end into the hub and then the other one into the monitor where you will be using your Samsung device as a computer. This is also useful if you want to connect a keyboard and mouse because you can use the standard USB ports. With this connection established, your screen will be mirrored over. However, you will notice that it is still not in desktop mode. To use it in a desktop mode, you have to swipe down from the top and use Samsung DeX. So this is going to be a native feature available on most modern Samsung devices. DeX is what mimics the Windows interface. So like I said before, you will have your applications on the home screen or the desktop. You will have options on the tray over here, the taskbar. You will have the system tray at the bottom right, and essentially it works like a desktop. So when you open any application, it will be maximized, full screen, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Samsung phone as a computer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.